So hi everyone, I'm Rob M0VFC with Rob M0VFC, and we're doing some of the technical side of the Learn More About stream at the RSGB Convention. So just wanted to show you a bit around what's involved in creating it. So we're just running down what we've got here. We've got one laptop that is running our pre-recorded material. We're in a pre-recorded video at the moment with Olaf's talk. Coming along here, we've got Zoom running, which is our link to Jim Lee, who is the moderator for the stream. On this screen, you've got the live feed from the presenter. You can see Olaf making notes for his Q&A, which is coming up in a moment. And on this screen, we would normally have the presenter's slides. In this case, we've got a flipped version of the recording that's coming back to us. This is kind of like the big brains of the operation. You can see on the main screen here what the output is going to the stream is. Coming down, we've got a camera which we have as a backup. If we need to, we can turn that on if we lose our link to Jim and we have no other content. What have we got here? We've got a sound card, the XR, which is actually not in use at the moment. The Vision Mixer, the 8M2ME, and then we have 3 Blackmagic Hyperdeck recorders. The middle one is not in use actually. The top one there is running the emergency tape, so if we literally have nothing at all, we can cut to that. And then at the bottom we have the recording of the stream, that's recording the output, ready for us to edit and upload later. Just above the network switch here you have VDU, which is actually doing the connection to YouTube. Coming across, we've got the sound desk. We're mixing the sound independently of the video. And then we have our multi-view, which is showing us all of our different sources. You've got currently on the preview screen top left, you've got Olaf's and Jim ready to talk to each other. We've got the pre-recorded film that's going out at the moment on the program. And then you've got all the sources, including the breakdown tape in the bottom left, which I mentioned, and also the feed coming in from the National Radio Centre there in the middle. On this screen, we've got Casper VT, which is running the pre-recorded countdowns that you see between each individual session. That automatically starts at a quarter of an hour before each individual session. Coming over onto this screen, we have the YouTube stream itself is being run here with the chat, and then we've got a final laptop with the stream coming in from the NRC. So that's everything that's involved. It's 12 laptop screens in all, and it's a lot of tech, but good fun to put together.
Okay, so here's a little bit about how we do the control for this. You've got all the sources, as Dom just mentioned, coming in there. Pretty much everything is driven from this little Stream Deck, running a custom bit of software. This has all the different combinations of shots that we want. So for example, if we looked on the preview side of the monitor, we could say just Jim, we could have a lower third, we could have the 2 side by side, Olaf with his lower third, and various different combinations, for example, the National Radio Centre, with or without a countdown timer. All of that's driven from over here, and one of the bits that we've got going on, because we have so many different talks, is the different combinations of lower thirds, that's the name along the bottom, the side-by-side background when they're talking to each other, the full screen graphics that we need, and optionally also the lower third on the feed from the NRC. So we can set that up once for each stream, for each talk, and then very quickly get to any of the shots that we need over on the Stream Deck. So most of the time, all we need to do is use these buttons down here and the big green go button to take the shot.